have never made a favorites video, but I love to watch them, so we're giving it a go today. Hi, I'm Maddie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing my August favorites. I have two categories. I'm going to be focusing on a fashion category first and then a beauty category second. So let's get into it. As we all know, in the summertime, I basically wear Doen almost every single day. I love Doen pieces. Everything is just so breezy and floaty and perfect for warm weather. So one Doen piece that I just could not get enough of in August is the Leanne dress. I wore this so much. It is just the perfect white cotton midi length dress, and it's perfect because you can dress it up in the evening, you can wear it during the day. The reason I love this dress is mainly just because it is so incredibly versatile. I wear a ton of white in the summer, so probably my favorite color to wear in the summer. I wear this dress to work and I layer my office cardigan with it. Everybody needs an office cardigan in the summer, especially because it's so cold in there. So perfect for work, but I also just wear this walking around doing errands. It's really easy to throw on and it's super comfortable, and I still look cute. And I've also dressed this up in the evening time with a pair of sandals or espadrilles. So really just a lot of uses for this, and that's probably why I wore it so much in the month of August. Another thing that I've been loving in the month of August is the color red, which I think is just a little crazy for me, honestly. I'm such a neutral girl, but for some reason I've just really been gravitating towards bright pops of red. I think this piece is a great example because as a tank top, it pairs really easily back to all of my neutral pants, shorts, skirts, but it gives me like a fun bright pop of top. I also really like layering this under neutral tone jackets. So just something a little fun, a little different for me. I've been loving red clothing, but I've also been loving red lip products as well. I know I said I'd talk about beauty later, but I feel like this kind of ties in with the red conversation. I've especially been wearing this little red like lip gloss from Westman Atelier, and it's not too harsh, kind of just gives you a little red pop, little red brightness, and I'm a red girl now, I guess. Loving red. I think it's probably going to continue into the fall for me, and I've noticed some maroon pieces have been popping up a lot of places and they are catching my eye, so this bright red pop might turn into maroon come later this fall. And then this is my final clothing piece, but I just have to give a shout out because this is my favorite t-shirt in the whole entire world. This is the Lisette Margot tee, and I truly just love how bright white this t-shirt is. White t-shirts really come in a variety of shades of white. This one is truly a bright blue undertone white, and I just love it. It's so clean. The cut of it is also brilliant. It is slightly boxy, hits right at kind of the hip bone, so it's not too long. Let's see, is it my hip bone? Yeah, hits at my hip bone, so I had to test. It's not too long, it's not too short. It is loose and flowy and comfortable. It doesn't look too oversized on me though, and I wear this with literally everything. It's also just like a really nice weight. So this cotton is a little thicker than some other cotton t-shirts I own, and I've had this for probably over 8 months now, and I wear it all the time, and she's still looking perfect. She's still looking pristine. So I would recommend the Lisette Margot tee for sure. If you've seen any of my other recent videos, you know that I never go anywhere without my little woven bag. This bag will always be my favorite thing in the summer. I wear it so much. This was from, I think, Anthropologie years and years ago, maybe 5, 6, 7 years ago, I can't remember. It was only $30, and it is my most carried bag for sure. It doesn't really hold a ton, but it holds as much as I really need. It really just, you know, phone, wallet, keys, lip product, and she's so cute. I get so many compliments on this bag everywhere I go. I was in the Container store the other day and a woman stopped me and said my bag was cute. So if you're getting compliments in the Container store, you know your purse is cute. So love this one. I definitely recommend any sort of woven bag in the spring, summertime. They are perfect. I will continue probably to carry this one throughout the month of September, and then October I'm probably gonna retire her for the season. Another favorite accessory of mine has been this baseball hat from Polo Ralph Lauren. It's a little random, but I think this is probably one of the best fitting baseball hats I've ever had. I think it just really actually looks, I don't know, cute on me. I think it's cute. I think it's flattering. I don't often love wearing baseball hats with my hair down, but this one, it seems to work for me. And I have such fair skin in the summer. I really need to wear hats and sunglasses and lots of sunscreen to keep my skin out of the sun. So I've been getting a lot of use out of this. I also think this color is just a really pretty combo with the navy and the kind of denim washed blue. This works really well in my wardrobe and I think complements my overall coloring. My next favorite is a pair of earrings. These are from Mejuri. These are the pearl drop earrings and they are gorgeous. I wear these almost every single day and I really just think they make my whole outfit look super put together and super classy. I really love them. These were my wedding earrings, but I've actually found that I love to wear them in everyday life as well. So kind of a rediscovery for me. They'd been sitting in my jewelry box and I decided, hey, I don't need to wear these only on special occasions. Like I can break these out for everyday wear. So definitely my most worn earrings in the month of August. And then my final fashion accessory favorite has been little acetate hair clips, headbands, etc. When it's hot outside, I do not like when my hair touches my face, and I also do not like when my hair touches my face at work. So I've been getting a lot of use out of these in the month of August because it's been quite warm. And then I also really like doing little half up, half down hairstyles. So that's where this little clip comes into play. I just kind of do like a little pullback and like a clip, and really great for keeping my hair out of my face. I got both of these at C.O. Bigelow in the West Village. It's so charming just going into like a little drugstore and picking out a cute hair clip. Okay, moving on to beauty favorites. I already mentioned this one, but it is the Westman Atelier Lip Balm Gloss. I really like these, and like I said, the color is just a little subtle, not too intense of a red. I also have had the pink one in the past. I used it all up, but I really like the pink one too. Really good texture on these. They don't dry out my lips. So I've been enjoying this in the month of August. Another lip product that is always a love for me are these lip balms from Jack Black. The main reason I love these, especially in the summertime, is because the daytime one has 25 SPF in it. My lips get burned all the time if I don't put any coverage on them. So sunscreen is always really important for me. It's kind of the theme of this video, I guess, with my hats and everything. Definitely getting a lot of use out of this one, especially in August. I'm almost empty, so I need to buy a new one. And then this one is a new find for me. They have a nighttime treatment, and this has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really good at locking in moisture and repairing your lips overnight. So I've been loving this one, and I'm going to continue buying the nighttime treatment as well now. Continuing on the sunscreen theme, I have been loving this Biore sunscreen. I typically use like a cream, sunscreen cream, but this one is a little bit more liquid based. It's a little messy, but it kind of comes out in like liquid form, and it's really easy to rub into your skin, and I feel like it helps me get better coverage of sunscreen on the surface of my skin. So it's really been keeping me protected in the sun, and I love that, and I love sunscreen that is easy to apply. So I would definitely check that out if you're looking for a sunscreen recommendation. Next, August is hot and humid, and I have hair that is sometimes hard to tame. So I've really been loving this hair gel from R&Co. It's a flexible gel, so you can still brush through your hair after applying it, but this has really just been helping keep humid flyaways at bay. It also has a really nice smell. I like R&Co's products a lot. I also use their shampoo and conditioner and it's very nice. And then my final beauty favorite for the month of August, my August scent has been Jo Malone, of course, always a summertime favorite. I've been wearing English Pear and Freesia throughout the summer, but I've really been loving it in August. I like how light this one is. I feel like it's a great daytime scent. It's not too overpowering. I don't feel like I'm overwhelming other people when I'm around them and wearing this scent. So this is like a good kind of just light, fresh, neutral, not too crazy or subjective. That is it for my fashion and beauty favorites for the month of August, and I hope to do another one of these in September. Maybe we'll see some fall products come into the mix. Thanks for watching. Bye.